What's up? I am Christine Horn, award-winning actress and life and career coach for actors just like you. I am the founder of the #1 virtual training center for actors. It's called the Booking Magnet Academy. This academy is dedicated to actors who want to learn the strategies to book film and television roles on a consistent basis. I'm talking over and over and over again. Not just one time and you don't know what you did right or wrong. I'm talking consistently with strategy. My actors who have been part of the academy have dramatically increased their bookings, their pins, their callbacks, their producer sessions. Their self-confidence is increased. Their self-tape game is on fire. They know how to break down scripts. They know how to create characters. They know how to do things that make them stand out in the marketplace. Listen, your talent is good, okay? But this is show business. So if you don't know how to market yourself, your product, you're not gonna be able to compete at the level that you need to compete at, to work the way you really wanna work. So I teach you my ninja marketing strategies that I actually do for myself and for my own career. I've been in some of your favorite television shows, and I know you have a desire to work in TV, to work in film, and I wanna help you get there. I wish I had this program when I was starting out. When I moved to Los Angeles, I think 2010, 2011, I thought I was ready, boo, and I was not. I came here off of Broadway doing The Lion King for 5 years and thought I was ready, but I wasn't. So my headshot wasn't right, my reels weren't right. My whole package was just wrong. It was just, I didn't know what I didn't know. And I have a feeling that you don't know what you don't know. And I wanna help you get to your next level. We have weekly coaching here. I teach every single week something new. I use my 4-step system to teach you mindset, acting techniques, marketing, and audition techniques. On top of that, you have live monthly Q&A calls with me where you can ask me anything. But more importantly, I believe, is the group accountability. You will be connected to actors from around the United States who are working on the same goals that you have. So no matter where you are based, we can help you get to your next level. You can get feedback, you can ask questions. There's nothing that can replace community, truly. You know, isolation can be a dream killer. And so no matter where you're watching this from, if you have been sitting on the sidelines, you've been watching everyone else get to their next level, thinking that it might be too late, you might be too old, you don't have enough skills, that excuse needs to die right now. Join us in the Booking Magnet Academy. As soon as you join, as soon as you click the link below and go through the checkout process, you will have instant access to over 30 something trainings as soon as you log in. And I update the training every single Sunday. So I don't know what you're waiting on. You still watching me talk, you need to be clicking that button, okay? I can't wait to see you on the inside. I turn actors into master marketers and booking magnets. Are you gonna be next?